Bansir learned the first rule of wealth: pay yourself first. He saved his gold. He thought he was finally rich. He was wrong. In the ancient world, a fool and his gold are soon parted. Bansir wasn't just unlucky. He was robbed by his own ignorance. Now, broke and ashamed, he has to face the only man who can fix it. He has to return to the richest man in Babylon. A year passed. The seasons turned over the walls of Babylon. Bansir and Cobby returned to the Hall of Learning. Arkad looked at his students. "My friends," he asked, "have you kept the rule? Have you paid yourselves the 10%? Bansir nodded. "I did, Arkad. It was hard, but I hid the copper and silver in a pot beneath my bed. The mound grew heavy." "Excellent," Arkad beamed. "And what have you done with this treasure?" Bansir's eyes lit up. "I gave it to Asmur, the brickmaker. He was traveling to the distant seas of Phoenicia. He said he would buy rare jewels from the Phoenicians cheaply, and we would sell them here for a fortune. We would split the profits." The room fell silent. Arkad sighed, the heavy sigh of a teacher who has seen this mistake 1,000 times. "You have given your hard-earned gold to a brickmaker to buy jewels," Arkad asked softly. "Would you go to the baker to ask about the stars? No, you would go to the astronomer. Your wealth is gone, Bansir. The Phoenicians are sharp traders. They will sell your brickmaker bits of colored glass. You have learned the second lesson the hard way. Advice is free, but be careful that you take only what is worth having." Bansir had to start over. He cursed his stupidity, but he did not stop. He saved his 10th again, and this time, when he had a purse of gold, he did not trust a brickmaker. He went to Agar, the shield maker. Agar needed bronze to make weapons for the king's guard, but lacked the funds to buy the metal. Bansir lent him the gold. Agar paid him back with interest. This was the moment the magic happened. Arkad called it making thy gold multiply. A man's wealth is not in the coins he carries in his purse, Arkad taught. It is the income he builds, the golden stream that flows continually into his purse and keeps it always bulging. Every copper you save is a slave to work for you. Every copper it earns is its child that also earns for you. If you would become wealthy, then what you save must earn, and its children must earn. That all may help to give you the abundance you crave. But gaining gold is only half the battle. Keeping it is the war. Guard thy treasures from loss, Arkad warned. Gold slips away from the man who invests it in businesses or purposes with which he is not familiar. The modern world calls it risk management. Babylon called it common sense. Do not be intrigued by romantic investment schemes that promise eager wealth. They are the sirens singing you to the rocks of financial ruin. Years later, Bansir was no longer just a chariot builder. He was a man of means. He walked with his head held high, not because he was arrogant, but because he was free. He realized that debt makes a man a slave, but discipline makes a man a king. The wisdom of Arkad is not magic, it is a law, just like the law of gravity. It works for the brickmaker, it works for the king, and it will work for you. Babylon is dust, but its secrets are alive. The question is not whether these laws work. The question is, do you have the discipline to follow them? Your journey to Babylon begins with the first copper in your purse. Keep it.